Hey, welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm gonna show you how to get started with Sony Vegas Pro, and we're going to use Sony Vegas Pro 18. Sony Vegas Pro is a good video editor. It's more light. It can work in many computers because it is more light to use. It's not that heavy like other softwares. But before we begin, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up if you find value in the videos. Now let's begin. Now after opening the software, it will be with this interface here. This area here is where all the videos that you're going to edit will be, and then here is where you can preview them, and then here is the timeline. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to import a video, or we're going to import videos and pictures, and sometimes even we're going to import audio. So I'm going to come here, file, then I'm going to come here, import, then I'm just going to choose media, then it will just take me to where the media is. I'm going to use my videos here, so I'm just going to select the ones that I want to use, but I want to make sure I see the videos that I want to choose. So I'll just make sure maybe I choose this one, and this one, and maybe I can also choose some picture here and some picture here, and also this video here, maybe this and this. Then I can also scroll and look for other pictures, maybe this and this. And then the next thing I'm going to do, then I'm just going to press open. Then all of them will come in my timeline here, will come under my gallery here. So if I want to preview one of the videos, maybe I'll just it will tell me, do you want to set your project video? If I want to preview one of my videos, I'll just double click and it will just come in the timeline. If I want to preview again, it will also come in the timeline. If I want to insert it in the timeline, I double click and it will always be inserted in the timeline. Now if I want to play, there's this slider here that I use to play my videos. The next thing I'll do, I'll just come and click here, play, and it will play my videos, as you can see there. Now this is the preview section and this is the timeline section. Now the timeline section is where you do most of the workings. Now if I just preview like so, okay, if I preview like so, you can see all the videos here. Then the next thing, if I want to pause, I'll just click here again, or I just press the space bar on my keyboard. If I want to separate, I'll just come and click this one and drag, hold and drag, and I'll separate the videos. As you can see, the timeline section here is in different sections. As you can see, it is in seconds, as you can see. Now what about if I want to cut the video? Maybe I want some part here to be cut. Maybe the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to press S in my keyboard. So I just press S, I position where I want to cut, which is here, then I just press S and it will just be cut like that. So I'll have those separate. Again, if I want to, I press the position it there, then I just press S, it will just play it like that. What about if you realize the upper part is the video part and the lower part is the audio part? What about if I want to separate the audio and the video? What do I do? I'll come and click this one and I'll hold Control so that I'll select all of them. Then I'll just press U. I'll press letter U in my keyboard and they'll be separated. The next thing, if I want to know they have separated, I'll just come here and click one of them, then I'll just slide. You see now I can easily separate the audio and the video just like that. Maybe I come again here, I want to separate this one. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select the first one, then again I'll select the second one like that, then I'll just press letter U in my keyboard and again they'll be separated just like that. If I want to confirm, I'll just do like that. Now if you want to confirm that they're really separated, maybe I play the videos. You can see that one. I'll just play the videos just like that. Editing videos is not that hard. So long as you know how to play around with the timeline, you can easily just edit your video just like that. Then after that, the next thing you're going to look, maybe if I want to undo all the changes that I've made. The next thing I just press Ctrl Z, and you can see all the changes that I made are coming back. You can even see the video that I made is coming back. Now let's say I want to expand, or I want to zoom some part, I'll just make sure I place my cursor at the end here. Then I'll just scroll my mouse and you see it can move. Now if you zoom, normally if you cut a video, you'll always see this aspect here. This aspect here, it shows that this video is going to fade out or fade in. So I'll just make sure I return it here. I'll also come to the other end, scroll back, position my cursor here, then scroll again. Okay, the other end is not there, but if I look at the other end, maybe of a video that I cut, also maybe this one here, you also see there's what? You also see there's this one aspect here. So I'll make sure so that my video doesn't have fading in and fading out at different ends. This is only good, especially if you're finishing the editing aspect about it. Now the next thing, I want to delete everything. I'll just press Ctrl A, then I'll just press delete, and everything will just go like that. Again, if I want to add a video, just drag it here and it will be there. If you ask me this, I'll just say no, I don't want to use that setting there. Then I can also drag the slider here so that I can position my video at the end of the screen like that. Now the next thing I want to show you how to add other tracks. If I want to add another track, maybe a video track, I'll right click here. It will give me this dialog box here with different options you can even. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to insert a video track. So just choose this one and it will add another video track here. What about if I want to add an audio track? I'll come again, right click on an empty space like this, and then you make sure you click on the this part with this which is the volume. Then the lower part is the audio, so I'll make sure I click the downer part which is the audio. Then I'll just add an audio track like that. So I have an audio track here and an audio track here. I also have a video track. Let me scroll up. I also have a video track like so. If I want to minimize the tracks, maybe I want to see them clearly, I can easily come here and pull this one here, and also pull this one here, and also pull this one here. So you can see the tracks have been minimized so that I can easily see my tracks. What about if I want to delete a track? I can always come and right click again, then I'll just come delete track, and the track will go. And also maybe this down part, maybe this audio track, I'll just right click and delete. I'll delete the audio track, then I'll just remain with my initial tracks. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add transition. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to just drag this video here like so. I'll say no. I'm also going to drag this video here like so. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to push this first video here so that it becomes this point here where they meet, and then I'll come and try to position this one aspect here and try to zoom so that you see this point here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click this transition here. Then it will give me different transitions that you can use. If you want to preview, you can just scroll over them like so. Maybe I come and choose maybe this one here. So maybe I'll just come and drag it and drop it here like so. Then it will give me this dialog box here. It will show me how I can manipulate the transition, but I don't want to manipulate. I'll just close it. I'll just come here and play so that you can see the transition. You can see the transition there. Now if I want to add another transition, maybe let me just position it here and zoom like that. I will come back under the media project so that I can access the other videos. Maybe I want to add this video here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it here and I'm going to join it with the other video. I'm going to pull this video and join it like so. Then I will come to transition. Maybe this time put another transition. Maybe cross. Maybe try this one here. Maybe try this one. I'll just come and drag it over here like so. Then it will give me this dialog box to manipulate the transition, but I don't want to manipulate. Let me play so that we see it. You can see that's our transition. Now the next thing I'm going to do, we're going to add a video effect. So I'm going to again Control A and delete everything. I'll come again under the project media so that I can access my videos. Then I'll just pull them. I'll say no again. This time I want to use video effects. I just come here. There are many effects that you can add to a video. Yeah, there are many things you can add in a video, like black and white. You can add this one. Let's try black and white effect. If I want black and white, I'll just come here. Then I'll just come and drop it like so. Then you can see my black and white. I can manipulate it. The video has changed it to black and white. Now there are other effects that you can also I'll just undo by pressing Ctrl Z so that the video can return the way it was. You can also play around the brightness of the video. Maybe I want to change the brightness and the contrast, so I can easily play around the brightness and the contrast of the video. So that's how you can use that. Then I'll just delete again. The next thing I want to show you, I'll come here, insert another video. They say no. Then I want to show you something called media generator. Maybe at the end of the video you want to, there are other inbuilt video media in this software, like color gradient. Maybe I want to put colors, maybe I want to put credit roll, or maybe I want to put noise, or many other things, but this time I want to put credit roll. Maybe I want to, at the end of the movie or a film, I want to put a credit roll where somebody is able to acknowledge the people that made the video. So what will I do? I'll just come here and fill. I'll make sure I position my cursor there so that I'm able to see this aspect. Maybe the title of the movie, maybe my movie. Maybe the title is action movie or wherever. Then the action, maybe the first one is the starring of the movie. Then my name may be Paul, and then you can see if I press enter, it reflects on the other side. Then I can also choose the timing. So if I play, you can see that one there. Now the last thing I want to show you is how to add text in a video. Maybe I'll use this video, just pull it down in my timeline here, then I'll just say no. If I want to add text, the next thing I make sure I have a video track on top here. So I'll insert a video track here. So then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to right click here, then I'll just come and choose insert text media. Then after inserting text media, it will give me this dialog box which allows me to insert text. As you can also see here, maybe I write my movie, but if you want to see it, make sure you position your cursor. You position this aspect here, maybe position it somewhere here so that you're able to see the letters very well. So if I want to manipulate this, maybe I want to change the font, I'll just come here, choose that font. Maybe I want to put it bold. Maybe I don't want white, I want maybe another color. You can see the changes there. It's supposed to show you the changes. Maybe I want an animation, maybe it scrolls left, then I just close it like that. If I play,
today I'm going to show you how to clone yourself in a video. Let's begin.
You can see my text was moving like that. Maybe I want to insert another text. I'll just come and right click again here and insert text media to give me this dialog box. but I make sure I'm able to see the text. So I'll scroll this one here, maybe position it here so that I'm able to see it here. Then I'll just write maybe movie my film. It's supposed to reflect there. Then if I don't like the font, maybe I play it a little bit. Yeah, you see it has changed. Maybe just let me just pause.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moro. Today I'm going to show you how to clone yourself in a video. Let's begin.
Now let me go back here. Now I want to change the color, maybe to something else. Maybe I change it to yellow or orange. Let me choose another font, maybe this one here. Maybe increase the size to 52. Then I just close. You can see that's how to add text in Sony Vegas. So guys, subscribe to my channel. You can also give it a thumbs up, also like and share. Watch the next video. Have a nice day, have a nice time.